Hey, you guys still good? You guys still good? There's the pool area. Look at that. Nanababo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out for today's vlog. Ayon guys, so it's another family getaway. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Capaya, Angeles City, and we were invited by the White Bungalow. It's a bungalow type villa. So tara, pasok tayo, tingnan natin yung loob. I'm gonna tour you, and later on syempre experience din natin yung kanilang pool area. Look at that. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! Welcome daw muna tayo ni White Bungalow. Welcome to White Bungalow. Enjoy your stay. Immediately, right after you get inside, ito na yung ating living room area. So let's take a look at this first room. Oh, open natin. There you go. Okay, so this is bed for couple. Air-conditioned. Has cabinet. Cool. So the second room, ito naman ay double deck naman siya. So this is good for double, and then single naman dun sa second level natin. Next is this master bedroom. Ayan, dito naman guys, you'll notice na ayan, it has a larger space. So meron siyang dalawang bed for double, yun guys, and then it has its own CR and parang additional mattress available din siya dito. Eto guys. Let's open the... Yun. Wow! Ang laki ng CR. Galing. Hi. Hello. And then at the back, dito yung karaoke area. Alright, so syempre mas maraming mag-enjoy dito guys. Kitchen. So meron tayong dito in which you gotta pay. Ayan. Pakisulat na lang po ang mga nakuha. Here's the price. And then of course at the end of the day when you check out, babayaran po natin yan. Dito sa likod, service area. Hey Luis! Say hi! Yay! So, additional restroom tayo dito. And then, pagbalik natin, hey! So, dito yung dirty kitchen natin. Complete with gas range. Meron din tayong sink. And your working table. The dining area is this one. It can accommodate up until probably 10. Hi, Isa! You good? Here they come, here they come. Enjoying the night dito sa the White Bungalow. Some G night and tayo? Shabu-shabu. Good morning guys. Ayan. So as always, kapag kasama mo yung mga bata, Paw Patrol lang pwede na. Thanks Paw Patrol. Alright, so that was it. That was our overnight staycation dito po sa the White Bungalow located dito sa Capaya, Angeles City. If you want to know more about this, please check out the link we're gonna be providing in the caption below. And we hope to see you here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Peace out guys. Bye.